Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will learn how to simplify the roots problem. Here we will try to solve this type of simplifications just in a second. Now look at the first problem. If you look at here, we have two numbers 88 and next is 3. Our first step first is to take the factor of this term. If we'll take the factor, the 88 will get 8 and 11. Next step, the step 2 is to make difference between these two. The difference between these two numbers is 3, and the here number also is 3, so we have the similar number 3 and 3. After that we'll watch the sign, that is positive. Here we have positive sign, so the bigger number 11, so the 11 will our answer. So in place of question mark we will write 11, just a simple tricks. So moving next, in the next questions, here the numbers are same, only thing the difference is negative sign. So we have negative sign here, then the smaller value, smaller number will our answer. Likewise here 8 will be our answer. So friend, how simple is tricks? The only thing to factor the number, factor the numbers and then take difference. If the difference is the same number, then the smaller value, smaller factor value will be the answer. So friend, here 11 and next is 8 is our answer. Now moving ahead for the some more questions. So here if you look at, we have 63. So likewise we will take factor first. Here the factors are 7 and 9. 9 sevens are 63 and the difference is 2. So we have 2 here. So we can write the bigger value, bigger number is our answer. So in place of question mark we'll write 9. So simple. So here what will the answer? So give your answer in the comment box. Now moving ahead for some more questions and quickly we'll do. If you look at here, we have 56 and we do not have any number. So if you look at carefully, we have 1. The universal number 1 is everywhere. Now we'll factor this term, that is 7 and 8. So here positive sign is there, so we'll choose the bigger value, that is 8. We'll write 8 in place of question mark. This is our answer. And here it is negative sign, so the smaller value will be our answer. So we'll write 7 in place of question mark. Very simple. So friend, moving ahead. So friend, now look at, we have 10. So how we can factor? The factor of 10 is 2 and 5 and another is 1 and 10. So the difference is 3 and we do not have 3 value over. So for this type of questions we will move further if there is positive sign. So we have positive sign, so we'll move forward, and the next number of 10 is 11 and we do not have any factorizations of 11, so we get 1, so we move forward, and the next number is 12. Now we'll factor 12. Factor 12 is 3 and 4, and here difference is 1. Here difference is 1. So we have the number that is 12 and the answer will be between number 3, between number 3 and 4. So friend, do not take tensions. Your answer sheet will have this type of similar answer only. So we can very well write the answer will be between 3 and 4. So let us move to next number, that is 5. 5, we cannot factor 5. The factor is only 1 and 5 and their difference is not 1. So here we have negative sign. We have negative sign. So we will go backward. The next number will be, after 5 we have 4 and we cannot factor 4, so that we get 1. The factor only 2 and 2. So after that we will get the next backward number is 3 and we can factor 3. 1 and 3, the difference is 2, so we cannot take 2, and after that we'll move more backward and we will get 2, and the factor of 2 is, so the factor of 2 is 1 and 2. And if we'll take difference, the difference is also 1. So the answer will be, so the answer in place of question mark will be any number between 1 and 2. So friend, this is our answer. So friend, this is very simple tricks. So anyone have any doubts, please tell me about your doubt in the comment box, and do not forget to comment how my video is. Now moving ahead, we have another problem. In this problem you can say that is 2, 2, 2 and it goes up to infinity. The questions is goes up to infinity, then the number that is 2 here, that will our answer. So the answer will be 2. So friends, very tricky and very easy. So 2 is our answer, And in the next question, if you look at it is 3 3 3, and we do not have into infinity, so the answer will something else. For this type of question, we will count the number here: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 numbers, so our answer will be, we will take to the power 6. So we have to the power 6, that is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64. So we have 64 here, and we got the number 3. So we answer will be 3 to the power, in the denominator we will have 64, 64, and in the numerator we will -1, that will be 63. So the numerator value will be 63. The answer is 3 power 63 over 64. So fine, this is also very easy. Only thing is to know the tricks. Hope everybody have understand the tricks of these questions, and if still you have any doubts, please tell your doubts in the comment box. And the next thing that is more important, how my video is, necessarily give you comment in the comment box. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.